Good morning folks, Cleggy for detectorist.com.au, and just showing you the beach that I plan on having a quick little hunt at this morning. Beautiful day here on the Capricorn coast, but the main reason I'm making this video is I've got with me today the minelab Equinox 800 and also the Ghost Amphibian headphones built especially for the minelab Equinox. So these are ones that will work effectively on land, and when you're ready to take that step into the water and get wet, these will come with you and be able to be used. They're actually rated a little bit deeper than the Equinox itself, so you're quite nice and safe. So what I want to do today is just show you how to hook them up properly. Okay, I've liberated the headphones from the box, and first thing I notice when you open the box is they're just a really nice, lightweight, good quality headphone. And you'll notice that on the outside there's a distinct lack of metal parts, hence no rust. Even having said that, you should always give your gear a good wash down after you use it, especially in the salt water. What I want to draw your attention to is this is the plug, and I've just left it in the bag just so I don't get any dust and stuff in it while I show you this. But what you'll notice is there's quite a long section here from the start of the curly bit all the way to the plug, and really that's for a reason, and that's I'm going to show you that reason now. I'll try and do this one-handed and we'll see how we go. So first thing we've got to do is take the covering off the plug, and I'll just do that now. Okay, we've got the plug all ready to go, and let's get these headphones on. There is just a little trick, not a trick, it's just a tip really, so nothing breaks. So the back end of the Equinox, obviously we need to take out the waterproof plug there. Just move that out the way, and you'll notice it's a nice metal connection on this one. Very high quality fittings on all Grey Ghost stuff, so no exception here. So we fit this to the Equinox and we screw that in. Now what I want to say about screwing this in is firm, not tight, so please don't over tighten it. So once we're in like this, now this is where we come to this extra long bit here before the curly cord starts. In testing, it was found that especially when underwater, this movement of the cord like this was very detrimental to the Equinox, and it can crack around this housing. So what the guys at Grey Ghost did was put this extra long cord on here to allow you to be able to secure it to the shaft with one of the normal cable ties. So once you put your plug in and it's all nice and firm, not tight, remember that, what we do is just pull the cord back underneath here a bit, and I'll just put the camera down. And as you can see, I've wrapped one of these around the cable and secured it to the handle. Now what that'll do is take away a lot of this sideways motion. It takes all this weight from the curly cable and all that off the plug itself. Now that's going to make your headphones last a lot longer. It's going to make your Equinox last a lot longer as well. So when you're hooking up your headphones, be sure to use the cable tie, and tie it here. You could also apply a second one to this area here. So I've got one here. It's just very hard to do one-handed, so you could apply the second cable tie there, and I'll just put you down. Second cable tie there, and that's a really nice secure fit. We've got no pressure on the plug and we can swing for days. Alright, that's the grey Ghost Amphibians for the Equinox 800 and 600. As I said, that's just the tip to get them installed properly. Make sure you run the cable back and enjoy your underwater and on land detecting with the superior audio quality that Grey Ghost provide. Have a great day and happy hunting. It's Cleggy for detectorist.com.au. Cheers, bye bye.